Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to add your own voice or custom audio to your Canva presentations, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through a super simple process for recording your audio right inside Canva so you can narrate slides, add reflections, or just put your personality into your designs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to record, download, and re-upload your audio, all without leaving Canva. So let's dive straight in. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you're already logged in, fantastic, you're ready to start. If not, just pause the video and quickly sign in or create a free account. Once you're in, we'll need to create a new project, so look for that Create a Design button usually in the top right corner. Give it a click. You'll see a bunch of different options pop up, but since we're making a presentation, select Presentation from the list. Now, Canva is going to give you a whole variety of beautiful templates to choose from. This is your chance to pick one that fits your project or style. Maybe you want something sleek and modern for a business pitch, or maybe something colorful for a classroom lesson. Just click on a template you like and it'll load up your new presentation in the editor. Here where it gets interesting, let's add some audio. The process is a tiny bit tucked away, but I'll walk you through it. Head up to the top right and click on the share button. Don't worry, we're not actually sending this to anyone just yet. In the menu that pops up, you should see an option called Present and Record. Go ahead and select that. Canva will take you into the recording studio. This is a dedicated space just for capturing your voice as you narrate your presentation. You might see a quick prompt asking for permission to use your microphone. If so, just hit Allow. Then when you're ready, simply click Start Recording. Don't rush. If you need a moment to collect your thoughts, take your time. Canva will even give you a short countdown so you can prepare before it really starts rolling. While you're recording, speak clearly and at a steady pace. Imagine you're chatting with a friend who's hearing your presentation for the first time. If you fumble a word or lose your place, that's totally normal. You can always stop and try again. Once you've finished your narration, maybe you've started with a hello, welcome, or you've talked through your slides, just click to stop or end the recording. Now this next step is important. Once you're done recording, find the download button and hit it. Canva will package your audio into a file and start downloading it to your computer. This can take a few moments, especially if you recorded a longer segment, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Here's the neat part, you can now upload your audio back into your original presentation to sync it up with your slides. In your Canva editor, just look for the Uploads section on the left-hand side, click Upload Files, and select the audio clip you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, you can drag it directly onto your slides and position it however you need. And honestly, that's it. You've just successfully recorded, downloaded, and re-uploaded your own custom audio in Canva, all in just a few easy steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, I'd love it if you gave the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or got stuck at any point, just leave a comment below. I always check and try to help out. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.